Hi folks, this is random whatever number 3. Right now I'm heading down here in the woods where I've got some junk. Got an old air conditioner down here, and I'm wondering about the motor capacitor that's in it for the capacitance charger. So curious to see what's in it. It's about 26 degrees outside right now, so that's really putting the hurts on any of my other projects. Let's see here. Here's a couple more projects, old ones. Here we go. It's not froze to the ground. There we go. Hey, there is a huge capacitor in there. Let's see here. We'll see if I can get the cover off of it and see what we got in there. Alright, I'm into this thing. Let's see here. See this. And anyways, it's not wanting to focus for some dumb reason. This says a 50. That's focusing. 50 plus 5 UF. So 50 UF on a charger. That would be good for 2 amps charging. So that's pretty good, really. What else is in this thing? Possibly an LCD display. Oh, compressor. I wonder if I can make a vacuum pump out of that. I always wanted a vacuum pump for something. I know there's no Freon or anything in this air conditioner because I shot it one day with a pellet gun and the Freon went spewing out of it. So, decent motor there. Huh. Interesting. Check these couple of screws out and see what I find inside of here. Should have brought my drill with the screwdriver bit. Been a lot faster than this little piece of crap screwdriver, but yeah, that's all I have at the moment. Oh, my hand's cold. It's 26 degrees out here. A transformer. Some other doodads and gadgets. I wonder if those little white things back there are relays. Hey, it's got a piezo in it. Some capacitors. Possibly a voltage regulator. Well, this hole looks like it plugs up here. So I'm gonna unplug this and get it in the house where it's a little warmer. Alright, well, there it is. I'm gonna pull that capacitor out to there and see what else I can find. If anything comes up interesting, I'll make a video on it. Let's see. Videos that I have in the making. I have a battery restoration video that I don't know if I'm gonna have to redo or not, because the battery I was using was out of a jump start box, you know, like for your car. And it's just, I don't know. I don't think that batteries can possibly be helped. Let's see, I have the video upgrading the capacitance charger. I just need to do some wiring work and stuff on it to do that, to cover how I made the charger in that video. And that's about it, really, right now. It's so stinking cold out, I really don't want to do much. So, I think I'm going to cut this short and just go make it. Alright, see ya.